these last 2 videos, I taught Linus how to be good at badminton. So in this video, we're gonna see if he actually improved or if I am really just a bad coach.
No, I'm gonna lose. Playing box game, my knee's broken, so we can't play full court. It would have been pointless anyways. Box game, at least you can hit the bird.
That's the nicest thing he said to me today.
Yeah. If you win, I already gave you all my stuff, but I still have a Subway macadamia nut cookie.
Okay. And if you win, I will give you a 3-month premium membership for Smash Champs.
Okay, sure, I'll take it.
All right.
No GPU.
Okay. Oh God, that's out.
Out.
Later. So in. Okay, that's fine, I got time. No problem, we got this.
Out.
So out.
5-0.
Okay, I have to use what Coach Alex taught me. See, the way that I see it, he can only lose this. Because if he loses, he loses. And if he wins, he's a bad teacher.
Ah! You got 1 point? Damn. 6-1. Okay, so do you know what my first 6-point strategy was?
Make me make the mistakes.
Yeah, I said I'm not gonna win any points. You're gonna just lose all your points. I'm gonna keep doing that until 11 points. Okay?
Easy.
All right, let's see what you do about it. I'm not gonna win any points.
Okay.
You're just gonna lose the points.
Okay.
Oh, damn! That was kind of out. You got me. Okay, well, gotta challenge myself. Let's see. Make him lose the points. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, not bad. Oh! Well, was it worth all that energy?
Yes.
3-6. Not gonna win any points until 11. Let's see how I can keep this up.
Before we continue, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let us know who we should make a video with next. And also, please join our YouTube memberships to get exclusive perks like access to our private Discord, giveaways, and also live lessons. Now back to the video.
Ooh, there we go. 7-3.
Don't worry, I got this.
All right, lose your own points. Oh, 4-7. A4. Oh.
Oh, shit.
9-5. What does it feel like right now?
Oh, I'm good. Never better.
Oh, damn. 6'9"?
I'm gonna lose pretty bad. My like.
Why are you talking to my
control game
camera?
is not very good. So.
Get away from the camera.
What? It's my camera now.
Oh, short. Ooh. 10-6. All right, get my last point. Yeah, switch the strategy.
Mid-court forehand lift. My one weakness.
So short. I don't know why it saved you. Ah. Ooh, 8-10.
Okay, I just have to finish him now before he can try.
Yeah. Oh! Ooh! 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 Come on, half court. Half court. Okay, let's start playing a little normally. Let's see what we can do. Okay.
That's
let's see
okay,
what
he
we
doesn't
can
know
do.
I'm warm now.
Oh, that's maybe there's a reason we didn't play normal. I don't know if I can play normal. Maybe it's an excuse. Oh, yeah. Oh. What if I start losing like this? Oh. 10-11. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh! You trying to go for it. Trying to get me. It's the cougar training from last video. We're gonna promo Linus's facility a little bit. It's got really good ceiling heights, so we're gonna take advantage of it. Oh yeah. 13 dead.
Okay, don't worry, I got this, I got this.
Okay, he's got it.
Oh!
14 dead.
That was a free point.
Is this a free point? Okay.
Once I'll miss that one, not twice in a row.
One more. We go.
Short. Whoa! Lucky. I take
3-4.
those ones. I take those ones.
Okay, you can have them.
3-4. Why did I touch that? So out.
Not bad, not bad. He punishes those. Ooh. What if I lose? I'm not gonna lose, right? I don't know. My mind just baiting me this whole time. Oh no. Oh, okay. Bring it back. Serious. 6-5. Oh yeah. Wow. Oh yeah.
In.
Ooh. I forgot. Paid off. Ooh. No, I'm gonna lose.
Oh,
9-all.
free one.
All right, it's close. Oh, 2019. Let's take it home. Smash Champs membership! All
You're good.
right,
Oh,
thank you.
What is it?